Good day to everyone. This is Teacher Jonathan and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching you about writing equations of lines given the slope and any point of the line. Suppose we have two problems here. Let's try to answer the first example. We have the slope is positive 5 and a coordinate 2 and 3. So how are we going to write a linear equation given this slope and a coordinate? So the formula that we are going to use for this problem is y minus y1 is equal to slope multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Okay, so as you can see, I'm sure this is so familiar with you. This formula was already used in the first lesson, in the first video. And by the way, if you're not familiar with the first lesson that I discussed, I'll be putting the link below, or you can simply just click this link above here. Okay? Okay, so going back to our problem. So this will be the formula that we are going to use for this problem. All you have to do is to substitute the value for y1, m, and x1. Okay, in this case, since we only have one coordinate, the first number here, or the abscissa, will be our x sub 1, and 3 will be our y sub 1. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to substitute the values for y1, m, and x1. So let's try to substitute it. All you have to do is to copy y minus, what is our y1? There you go, positive 3. So since it's positive 3, just copy 3. Equals m is positive 5, or the slope. Quantity, variable x minus our x sub 1 is positive 2. Just write positive 2 or 2 and then close parenthesis. Now we're done with substituting. Let's try to multiply this 5 and a binomial x minus 2. So let us copy first y minus 3 equals, okay, using distributive property of multiplication, let's multiply 5x and followed by 5 times negative 2. Let's start with this 5 times x. So 5 times x is simply 5x. And then 5 multiplied by negative 2, that will give you negative 10. Okay, so we're almost done. But we have a constant number here, negative 3, and a constant number here, negative 10. All we have to do is to combine them because they are like terms. So how are we going to combine them? All you have to do is to transpose negative 3 from left side to the right side. So let us copy y and then just copy equal symbol and 5x minus 10. So this is negative 3 and we are going to transpose it. So remember, when we are transposing any variable or number, you have to change the sign. Since this is negative, it will become positive 3. Okay, so in this part, we have to combine negative 10 and positive 3. So that will give you y is equal to 5x. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. So this is an example of slope intercept form. But we have to write it or transform it into standard form. So how are we going to transpose it, to transform it again? All you have to do is to transpose 5x from right side to left side. So this is positive 5x, so it will become negative 5x. Okay, and then just copy positive y and then equals negative 7. Okay, so there you go. This will be our final answer. Negative 5x plus y equals negative 7. Okay, let's proceed to the next problem. So we have the slope is negative 7 and a coordinate negative 3, positive 4. So the same process, this will be our formula for this problem 2. Let's try to copy it. Y minus y sub 1 equals m, or the slope, multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Okay, so we're done with the formula. Let's substitute y1, m, and x1. Okay, what is our x1? This is our x1. This will be our y sub 1. Okay, so let's substitute it. Let's copy variable y minus, what is our y1? That is 4. Equals m, or a slope, is negative 7. Parenthesis, variable x minus x sub 1. What is our x sub 1? That is negative 3. So since it's negative, let's use open and close parentheses. Alright, so there you go. Now let us proceed to the process of multiplying negative 7 for x and negative 3, quantity negative 3. Okay, let us copy y minus 4 for the meantime. What is negative 7 times x? That is negative 7x. Okay, so what is negative 7 times negative 3? Okay, so before we can multiply this one, let us try to remove this negative sign inside of this parenthesis. So this is negative minus negative 3. It will become plus 3 in the rules of subtracting integers. So meaning to say, we have to multiply negative 7 times positive 3. So that will become negative 21. Okay? So we're almost done. We have to transpose negative 4 from left side to right side. Just copy y is equal to negative 7x minus 21. This is negative 4. It will become positive 4. Okay. And then let's combine negative 21 and 4. Y is equal to negative 7x. Negative 21 plus 4 is negative 17. So we are already in the slope intercept form, or y mx plus b. So let us transform this into a standard equation of line. Okay, so all you have to do is transpose negative 7x from right side to left side. So it will become positive. Since this is negative, it will become positive 7x plus y equals negative 17. Okay, so there you go. We already have the answer for problem number